Understanding use of perspective in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of the English language, use of perspective. This phrase may sound complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, making it easy to understand. Perspective is crucial in how we express thoughts, feelings, and narratives, and mastering it can significantly enhance your communication skills. The use of perspective refers to the angle or viewpoint from which a story is told or information is presented. In English, it can manifest in various forms, such as first-person, second-person, and third-person perspectives. Each of these perspectives offers a unique way of sharing experiences, stories, or instructions, shaping the listener's or reader's understanding and feelings about the subject. When using the first-person perspective, the speaker or writer uses pronouns like I, me, and we. This perspective is deeply personal and is often used to share personal experiences, thoughts, or feelings. It's like putting the listener or reader directly into the shoes of the speaker, creating an intimate and engaging connection. The second-person perspective uses the pronoun you. This is less common in narrative writing but is frequently used in instructions, guides, or direct conversations. It creates a direct dialogue between the speaker and the listener or reader, making it an effective tool for engagement and instruction. Lastly, the third-person perspective uses pronouns like he, she, it, and they. This is the go-to perspective for storytelling, as it allows the narrator to describe events and characters externally. It offers a broader view of the story or information, providing the audience with a comprehensive understanding of the situation. Understanding and using the use of perspective can greatly enhance your communication in English. It allows you to choose the most effective way to convey your message, whether you're sharing a personal story, giving instructions, or telling a tale. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating topic, and we're excited to see how you apply these insights in your English language journey. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depths of the English language.